want to bring your breakfast to the next level? Today, I'll be showing you how to make my pumpkin, spinach, and feta frittata. Let's get started. Start by cutting a pumpkin into about 3 or 4 large pieces. You can also use a butternut squash in this recipe. Scoop out the guts and seed from the center of the pumpkin with a spoon. Now that your pumpkins are clean, cut them into equal-sized wedges. Alright, now let's get our pumpkins ready for the oven. Put the pumpkins onto an oven roasting sheet. Drizzle it with olive oil and a big pinch of salt. Then we'll massage it in good for the oven. Roast the pumpkin in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. If you prep the pumpkins the night before, it'll make this recipe a lot easier. Alright, it's now time to dice an onion. I'm not crying, I promise. Let's put it aside now and dice some garlic. Alright, now to the stove. We'll drizzle some olive oil and saute some onion until they're translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add the garlic and saute until fragrant. We're almost done on the stove. Now let's saute some spinach, add a pinch of salt, and let it wilt down a little bit. Oh my! Oh look, the pumpkins are done! Let's get back to business, shall we? Once the pumpkins have cooled, you'll want to chop them into diced pieces. Alright, let's crack 8 large eggs into a bowl. Add in a half cup of milk, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of rosemary, and a quarter teaspoon of thyme. It's whisking time! Into a round pan, we'll add the egg mixture, the diced pumpkins, and the spinach, onion, and garlic mixture from before. Make sure you spread everything out equally. Now let's add half a block of feta, and I like being extra cheeky and adding some shredded cheese too. Now let's watch your masterpiece rise in the oven. Bake your frittata at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now this frittata will impress your guests. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this.